Hey everyone, welcome back to Road Reg. So in today's video we are down at Goodwood Skid Pan. Now I don't have access to the skid pan for too long because I'm actually here because I'm lending my car to a buddy of mine, Rick. He is actually filming a video on all the different traction control modes and how they differ from each other in extreme conditions. Obviously that video is now out and it's very interesting. I think you guys will enjoy it, so I'll leave a link in the description and you can go check it out. Right guys, let me tell you what the plan is for today. I'm going to head out onto the skid pan on my own and I'm going to put the car into traction mode, which is BMW's sort of halfway house setting, and I'm just intrigued to see what it would be like. Will it let me have a bit of fun or will it just cut the power altogether? And then we're going to turn traction control off completely and just have a bit of fun. This is it. Traction mode is on. Let's see what happens. Ready? God, it really works. It really works. Wow. I'm really impressed. Wow. I'll tell you what, that traction mode, it lets you have some slip, and there we go. It lets you have some slip, but it also lets you manage the slide. I am super impressed with that. Okay, enough of that. Let's turn the traction control off. This is what you all want to see, let's be honest. Alright, so traction's off. Let's see what she can do. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, that is fantastic. That was fun. Sorry if I didn't talk much, I was actually concentrating on trying to keep that slide going. Okay guys, so Rick's going to jump in my car now and he is going to show me how to do a J-turn. Now I've always wanted to do a J-turn, I've seen it in the movies, I've seen people like Tiff Nadell do this on TV, and I sort of know the basic theory, but obviously I've never attempted to do this on the public road. For obvious reasons. Rick is actually one of Goodwood's skid pan instructors, and this is one of the manoeuvres that they do show you on the day, so hopefully this would give you a nice little snippet. They do show you other manoeuvres as well, but we're limited for time, so I picked the J-turn as I've always wanted to give it a go. So yeah, let's go for it, see how I get on.
Right, so you start off, we've still got everything off, because otherwise the ABS starts grabbing at the wheels because it knows everything's going wrong. Literally in reverse,
yeah,
hand on top of the wheel,
yeah,
get a bit of speed up in reverse,
yeah,
lift off the gas,
yeah,
give it a quick flick. I tend to throw the wheel and then let go of it, which feels really alien, but what happens is you put a load of steering on and you put a load of steering on quickly, so you literally chuck it, and then as it's rotating, still off the gas, the wheel will self-center,
yeah,
and then pretty much at the point where we're nearly facing forwards, pull the stick back into drive and drive away.
Okay.
It's one of those, because everything's happening fast, you want to do everything fast, but you don't need to.
Right.
But give it a whirl, see how we go on.
Okay, never done this before.
So hand on top of the wheel.
Like that?
Yep.
So not over there?
No, hand on top of the wheel, and literally once you get going, foot off the gas. So most important is foot off the gas first.
Before you turn?
Before you turn, because otherwise you pull, the rear wheels are still driving you and you'll just drive over to the right hand side.
Got it.
So you've got to lift off, which then actually gets a little bit of weight on the back, and then at the point you spin the wheel, it then flicks the front round.
Okay.
Give it a whirl. I've probably said
This
too much.
isn't probably not. This
I've
is
probably
not going to go too well.
I've probably said too much already. Go on,
Probably,
give it a whirl.
Right.
So hand on top of the wheel. Get a bit of speed going. Go on, faster, 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 faster. Off the gas, flip the wheel. That's it, into drive and away. There you go. That wasn't difficult.
It doesn't feel nice putting it into drive when you're going that fast in reverse.
Yeah, but you're already going forward.
You're going to fist bump me. I'll let it that bit out.
For the first attempt, that was fine, mate. For the first attempt, that was fine. What you've got to remember is you're not actually going into drive until the wheels are going forwards.
True. So that's the key, isn't it?
Yeah, you got to wait until you finish the manoeuvre. This gearbox won't let you put it into drive with the wheels going backwards.
No. Right, here we go. This is the second attempt at a J-turn. Hand on top of the wheel.
Hand on top of the
in
wheel.
Reverse.
Yeah, right. Now, this time, you were doing a lot of steering stuff. Literally, chuck it, let go.
Okay.
It's going to feel weird. That's it, keep going. Faster, 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 faster. Off the gas, chuck it, let go, let go, let go. Drive, away you go.
Wow.
Easy.
Okay.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
So you let go of the wheel and you want to grab the wheel. That's why I put my hands over your arms. So you did touch the wheel. But the wheel sorts itself out. Do you see what I mean?
It's a very strange feeling.
It's all kind of physics and
it is.
It's basically, once the car's going backwards, the momentum of the car wants to keep going that way. So once you flip the front round, it's a bit like, you know, when you let go of your handlebars on your push bike. The wheel, once you're moving, the wheel wants to go in a straight line. It's the same as this. So once you've transitioned, the wheels want to straighten themselves up and keep going. So for this one, don't touch the wheel at all, even when we're going the other way. Put it into drive, don't touch the wheel, and you'll see what happens.
Okay.
So a little bit of speed, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Off the gas, chuck it, let go, let go, let go, let go.
Yeah, it does a little sort of squiggle, doesn't it, on the front?
Yeah, because it's trying to grip up. Because at the point it's transition, it's then gripping up. So at the point it's sliding, at the point it then finds grip, then it does its like little like you say, does its little wiggle.
Okay, I'm feeling alright with that. Shall I try and I'll try and obviously catch the steering when we're going forward now.
Yeah, I pretty much don't touch the steering wheel until you're facing the other way anyway. There's no need to.
It's the weird thing about this, guys, is going in reverse so quickly. You're not used to that. It does give you the heebie-jeebies, I'm not gonna lie.
The heebie-jeebies?
The heebie-jeebies. Here we go, guys.
That's it, off the gas. Easy as that.
I'm still a little bit over there though, aren't I?
You are, because you're held onto the wheel a little bit.
Oh, so I should, okay.
But also, now you've done that, you can then feel out a little bit. Do you know what I mean? It might over rotate a tiny bit.
Yeah, because of the speed and the momentum.
Just once you've done it a couple of times, then you can obviously tweak it. So remember to get off the gas before you turn the wheel. That's it. That's it. And then into a little power slide. Da, 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 da.
Yeah, because the steering wheels were still that way, weren't they, on that one?
Yeah, tiny bit. Obviously, they don't always come fully straight.
No. All right, we'll go for one more.
And then we should probably go for some lunch.
Yeah, that'd be great.
I don't know why I looked some more rest. I haven't got to watch it.
What a treat that, eh? What a treat. I'll tell you what, if anyone hasn't done a skid pan before, go and do one. Okay, here we go. Yes! That wasn't too bad. Figure of 8.
Or not.
Or maybe not. Definitely time for lunch. Thank you for that, Rick. Right guys, that's going to be the end of the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. It was really great to get Rick in the car to help me learn of JTurn. Really enjoyed that. Something I've always wanted to have a go at, but obviously you can't do that on the public roads. So yeah, that was wicked. And big thanks to Goodwood for letting us use the skid pan. It's what a treat that was. Yeah, so thanks to them. Go check out Rick's channel, Rick the Spud. I'll link his YouTube channel in the description. So yeah, make sure you give this video a like and maybe a comment if you're feeling friendly. So great, see you on the next one.